parallel and group control.
然后这个部分是我们的 SM 卡。
The section 3 is the chip card.
然后我们的 SM 卡当每次就是正常的启动的话，我们这个灯是一直常亮状态。
So as you can see, the CSS LED light is keep on. It means the SIM card is no problem.
然后这个部分是我们的 T 号，就是我们的本电器的一个，比如说群组的 T 号选择。
This part is related to the elevator ID. So when you are doing the group control, it can show the the elevator ID.
另外，这个底下是我们的安装运行模式。
And section 5 is the GMOF. It means the job mounted operation function.
当我们的电梯在新安装的时候，我们可以将我们的0拨成1，选择我们的安装模式。
So when the elevator is under installation, you can change this switch to be on the one side. It means the GMOF is on.
安装模式的好处就是可以快速的进行慢车运行。
The advantage of the GMOF mode is that you can do the inspection mode to run the elevator.
然后这个部分，我们首先详细讲一下我们这个部分，我们的等一下 button。
Battery. 电源。
电池，我们的应急电源电池，因为我们这块没有接应急电源。
Yeah, the first of all is the battery light. It means when the emergency battery is good, so the battery will be on.
然后呢，所以说我们的这块的灯就呈现出一个红色的灯。
Because this elevator we don't have the emergency power, so this light is red, and normally it should be green.
然后接下来这个是我们的 NGL， 也就是我们的24伏有效。
The NGL, as you can see, the LED is green. It means our power, the 24 voltage power is normal.
然后我们的 NGO 是我们的25伏的电源有效。
Same, but the NGO is the 25 voltage.
刚不是给大家讲了我们的 CCS， 也就是我们的 SM 卡的程序。如果我们的程序一直常亮，说明我们的程序在启动。当我们的这个灯在闪烁或不规则的闪烁的时候，我们的 SM 卡失效。
So when the CSS light is keep on, it means our SIM card is no problem. But when the CSS light is off, so it means our SIM card has some problem.
然后所以说我们遇到当我们比如说我们的电梯如果坏了的话，然后我们去检查故障的时候，发现我们这个灯是在闪烁，我们第一反应就是我们要么这张卡坏了，要么就是我们的主板坏了。
But if you find the CSS light is flashing, it means maybe the SIM card is broken or the main board is broken.
接下来就是我们的以下这个部分 ，T1 到 T2、T3，刚不是给大家讲过的，
Yep.
这就是我们的安全回路，还有我们的校门锁，是非常重要的一个灯。现在我们底下这个灯是不亮的，说明我们的后面 T4 和 T5是代表我们的听源，说明我们的听源不通。
T1 to T5, this light is for the safety circuit, but as you can see now, our T4 and T5 is off, so it means the car door lock has some problem.
如果现在让我们的听门照它这个位置，如果让我们的听门关上的话，照这个位置，让我们听门如果关上，照这个位置，好，我们的听门关上了。好，现在我们门关上以后，我们的 T4 和 T5 不亮。
Yes, you can see after we close the door, the T4 and T5 light is on.
杰克。
Yes.
我要问你一个问题。
Please.
如果当我们的 T4 和 T5 的灯没有亮，我们的电梯可以运行吗？
I think it cannot. 我觉得不行。
为什么？
因为你门锁没到位，没那什么，它怎么跑呢？
是的。
Right. Yeah, Henry is testing me. He is asking if the T4 and T5 is off. Does our elevator can move or not? I said no. He asked why. I said because of it means the car door lock are not locked. So how the elevator can run?
另外一个问一个问题，就是你不是刚才我告诉你了，就是 T1到 T5之间是我们的安全回路门锁，就整个的总灯，每个灯都必须保证亮。但现在我们的灯不亮了，只有 T1亮，这后面都不亮了，那我们电梯能运行吗？
安全回路不通，不能运行了。
是的。
啊。
我们刚是把我们的这个位置，就是我们的机厅也开掉了。
Yeah, Henry said when the light is off, does the elevator can run or not? I said no, because the light is off. It means the safety circuit has some problem, so the elevator cannot run. 我以为是扭的。
所以说，我们通过这个现象是告诉大家什么？就是我们的新款迅达，包括我们的5500，包括我们的迅达7000，包括我们的就是一体机的迅达5600，它的方法一样的，所有的原理，所有的电梯的方案，为什么我们每次就是可以看一下我们这边，就是我讲到我们整个的这个位置的每个区域，我们讲解的时候，每次讲解我们都是对着相应的我们的主板，会给大家讲我们的知识点，就是先讲我们的端子定义，然后第二个怎么去调试，第三个正常的怎么去演示我们的电梯功能。
Why every time we start from the main board function, because we want you guys to learn the basic logic of this elevator design. So in the future, you can understand this elevator easily.
就是我们讲解的这些东西，就是所有的方法都一样，我们就是在重复做一个事情。从我们2024年的第一期开始，我们的莫拉克开始，到我们今年马上圣诞节来临，也是我们的末端的结束。我们讲的方法同样是一种方法，因为技术根本就没有捷径，它是需要我们就是掌握各种的知识点，去它的端子定义啊，它的方案是一样，它很枯燥的。
So from the 2024, our first time live show start from the Monash to today, almost 2026. All of the elevators we're talking about is the same thing. We start from like the main board function. What we want to share is the elevator is same. The technology is sometimes boring. It's a same very boring, and you have to learn that from the function blah 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 starts like that. So every elevator is almost the same.
所以说我们这些就是我们总结一下，本期也是我们的2025年的最后一期。我们希望在我们的这些梯子里面，就是我们大家共同去总结出我们自己的经验，也希望我们更多的同行能学到新的知识，在2026年能成长起来，能挣更多的钱。
So at the end of the 2025, we want to give a summary to like overview of our former simulators or former live shows, to let you guys let us, you and me, to grow up together in the new year and get more and more benefits, of course.
好，我们接下来继续讲，就是我们另外就是讲我们的主板的一个定义。我们的主板的定义的话，今天就是我们因为我们的主板定义，首先我们从这个部分开始，那从 X， 也就是我们这个插件就 XP1 和我们的 SKS， 包括我们的 SKC， 还有包括我们的 PTS， 我们这部分是干什么的？它是我们的安全回路，就是从这个串起来，里面有我们的校门锁和厅门锁在这个位置。
So as you can see from the SK1, SKS, SKC, and KTS, it's a safety circuit. It included the shaft and the car top and the door, car cabin door and landing door also. All of these terminals is composed our safety circuit.
就是我们还是一样的，就是我们也是一样的，同样就是我们也有，导演有没有英文版？
有，那上面就是英文。
现在屏幕上
就是哈。
就是我们
OK， 接着。
就是我们通过我们一样的，就是我们这块的资料，让大家能清晰的，比如说找到这个地方，我们的 SK1 我们的 SK1、我们的 SKS、我们的包括我们的 KTS， 它代表了哪些含义？它是怎么的安全回路是怎么去串接的？然后我们这块的资料上会呈现出来。
Yes, our as you see the drawings on the screen. I mean the right half in your screen. You can see what we are talking about, so you can understand easily. And also, at the meantime, if you guys have anything you want to say or express, you just type that in our comment section, and we will reply. Yeah.
那接下来我们竖着从这个位置开始演讲起。这个位置是做什么的？这个位置是我们的包杂控制包杂的，包杂控制主板控制包杂的一个模块控制灯。
Yeah, this part is for the brake control module.
然后另外这是我们的一个备用端口，我们一般情况下这个端口就是转接掉。
Yeah, generally this one is for the backup, so generally we just skip it.
接下来这个也是一样的，我们这块是我们的一个热面，机房的一个热面。
This board is for the machine room heat sensor.
然后其他下面这个几个端口也是我们的热面下来到我们的一个报警电源，包括我们的计数器。
So this port is for the alarm power and the times counter and the intercom.
包括接下来我们这个部分的一个对讲装置。
Yeah, like the GNT is for the intercom devices.
这个地方就是我们的一个应急电源的一个电池。
And this part is connected to the emergency power.
重点在这个位置，这个位置虽然很简单，但是是非常重要的一个点，它是连接我们便民器一个通讯的。
The key point is this section, although this section is very simple and easy, it connects to our driver and communication.
然后这个位置是我们的平层信号，也是我们电梯的平层信号，就由这个输入到我们的540的那个主板。
And this part is for the leveling signal. It's input to the main board.
然后这个位置也是非常重要的，这个位置是我们的警报编码器，它和其他的电梯还是非常不一样的，就是不一样的。为什么？它是一个警报编码器，我们的警报里面自己还会有一个编码器。
Yeah, this part is different from the other elevators because this one is for the shaft encoder. The Schindler has its own shaft encoder in the inside of the shaft.
然后我们给我们的这块就是编码器，警报我们安装的一块，这块编码器。类似我们的警报编码器。
Yeah, but this one is we don't use the Schindler. As you can see, it's different from the traditional Schindler lift because here we use another encoder to take place that.
然后这个里面，我们这里面还有一个就是我们的验影机编码器，在这个位置。
And there is also another encoder is related to the traction machine. It's the traction machine encoder. It's different from the shaft encoder. 有人留言什么的，你随时给我说啊。
另外一个部分就是我们的交相通讯，我们的交相通讯，还有我们的警报通讯，就在这两个位置。
Yeah, the other part is communication for car and the shaft. Wait a minute. Which one? Let me see. Somebody's. Today's main topics are as follow: PCB board function. PC when describing issues, please use this format. Yeah.
稍后会解答，就是这个是我们的。
Okay, later I will see your comment section, and let us go on the main port first. Yes, please.
这个是我们的警报通讯。
This one is for the shaft communication.
这个是我们的什么通讯呢
I think it's car.
交相通讯。
It's car cabin communication.
然后另外一个这个地方，这个地方是我们的制动器控制端口。这个。
Yeah, this terminal is for the brake control terminal.
这两个部分是我们的便民器控制端口。
These two parts are the driver control.
很多人看不懂，就是我们这两个线到底是去哪里的，在这个位置。
If you want to see the wire connect to where, please follow us.
来到我们电机里，就那2个插件的线来到了我们这。
So that wires connect to the inverter, as you can see.
然后接下来就是一个，这是我们一个，
大楼网关。
这是我们一个低电平的一个转换，我们叫它转接路。这2个部分的话，是我们的一个远程监控的一个端口。
This part is for the remote monitoring port.
接下来这个就是我们的主板的整个的一个主板电源。
And this part is for the mainboard power supply.
然后我们日常的话，就是比如说我们在家里面也可以使用这个。
Yeah, generally, if you want to do some DIY things, remove the mainboard in your home or in your office. You can use the power supply like this. Yeah, if you want to remove the board in your office, so you can give the power supply as this, like this. You can use this device to give the mainboard power. 找这个。
然后比如说类似我们就是
太短了。
做地。就是日常中，就比如说我们就是像
0.014呢。
就是日常中我们这款就是电压我们可以在家里面也可以自己买一块主板，我们给这个主板提供电，提供电源的话，我们可以自己在上面去练习一些信号，自己可以去调试呀，包括连接我们CADI 的这些软件。
Yeah, if you want to remove, just connect this part in your office or home or anywhere you want. Yeah, like you can practice and do some connection with the CADI.
然后我们为什么做这个实验呢？照进，拉进镜头。
Yeah, as you can see.
然后就是当我们这个板子，包括我们任何东西通电的话，当我们有短路情况的话，这个就是相当于我们现在已经短路了。我们这款电源是带保护的。
Yeah.
在我们日常中，就是我们在给这个主板通电源的时候，我们主板一旦有短路情况下，也不会烧任何板子的。就像我们这种短路的话，我们的电源正常也是停止的。
Yeah, so as you can see, we directly give the negative and positive directly connect them together, but there is nothing happen. So it proves that this power supply also give the protection of the mainboard. So if you have such kind of devices, it will protect your mainboard.
然后接下来我们发现像我们这款做的一样。
Yeah, I saw somebody said he wants to know something about Toshiba and Hitachi. Yeah, Toshiba and Hitachi, for now, as you can see, we are planning to do the simulator. For now, we don't have some things to introduce to you. But later, I think we have the planning to build the Toshiba and Hitachi. So later, this friend called blah 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 Masha 101. Yeah, Masha 101, Masha 101, Toshiba and Hitachi. Later, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So later, maybe next year, after we built up our Toshiba and Hitachi, we will also have our live show. 没有，这个大哥说他想看东芝和日立的那个啊，想让咱讲东芝和日立的，所以我说以后我们正在搭建这个东西。控制系统加 component involved 加 fault phenomenon 哦 ，Tracy Chen 哦 ，I got 多少人？不错。Okay, so let's back to our Schindler. Back to our Schindler or Chandler. I'm not sure of this pronunciation. Anyway, 第一页，这一页。Okay, now let's go to the card top board. Yeah, card top board is our generally talking about, but actually in Chandler it calls the Lonic, L-O-N-I-C, I think, Lonic. As you can see in your screen, this one is for the card top board. Yeah, generally we call that card top board.
拿到我们板子后，我们首先第一步找我们的电源指示灯。
我看一下那个屏幕对着没啊？校领版。Yeah, this one, yes. Okay, go on.
对，首先找到我们的电源部分。
The first of all, when you see the card top board, you can check the power of this board.
然后我们接下来把我们这个插件的一个定义端给大家讲解。
And then we are going to talk about the function list of the terminal.
这个位置是我们的井道编码器。
This part is for the shaft encoder.
这个位置。
And this part is for the shaft encoder. Shaft encoder is here. As you just saw, we don't have the traditional Schindler shaft encoder, so we use another one to take place of that. But this port actually is connected to there. That's good.
然后这个是我们的电源，其实这部分是我们电源。
And this part is for the power supply.
然后我们这个电源就来自24伏，也就是我们这个位置。
The power is come from this port.
然后还有我们的 LONIC 是我们的轿厢通讯。
Yeah, the LONIC, Lonic, or how to pronounce that? LONIC is for the car cabin communication.
然后这部分是我们的安全回路，我们的轿顶安全回路，它最后串上去的所有的信号，也就是我们这个位置 T3 和 T3A 和 T3B 来自于我们的轿顶。
So this part is for the car top safety circuit, and it up to the main board, and to here the T3 and T3B.
然后由于我们的时间关系，我们会将我们的这部分，就是我们这个板子，我们轿顶板的一个插件定义，会如果谁所要，会发送的邮箱。
Okay, so because of the time relation, so anyone if you want to know more about the files related to the board, send your email to us. We will share them to you.
然后接下来我们讲一下，就是我们这个菜单，我们主板的菜单。
And then we are talking about the menu of the main board.
啊，你这给大家翻译一下。
Yeah. 这菜单他们都能看懂了吧？ And now we get into the menu.
比如我们的第一个是我们的电梯状态。
这英文他们就都懂了。The first of all, as you can see, this is for the lift status.
哦，刚好可以在这给今天给大家刚好讲一个东西，这可能是摄影师也想学点。摄影师放好了。
Photographer also want to learn something about this.
看见没？那迅达好多人就是销售可能问啊，包括我们的很多人就是问我们的这个东西怎么看。迅达很神奇，光看版本。
Yep.
我们确定。找到这个，看看这个菜单。
We go to see the versions of the board.
GC 是我们的主板，也就是我们的这个主板。
GC you can regard it as the main board.
确定。主板的版本是多少？
So this one for the main board, for the version of the main board is V2.54.
然后我们的这主板，另外一个就是我们的变频器。
有点模糊，不模糊啊，它这个反光的就
很清楚啊。
来看一下我们的变频器，变频器版本是2.26。
And then we get into see the driver software. As you can see, it is the V2.26.
然后接下来这些数据的话，这些菜单的话，我们就是因为我们由于时间的关系，就是我们这部分就是会把我们这些资料会发送到，包括发送邮箱呀，或者自己去查看。你这些东西就是大家可能都比较简单，大家可能都懂。
Yes, the files, the menu file. I mean the menu about this elevator, Schindler 5400. If anyone wants to interested in that, send email to us. We will share them to you free.
就是我们想就是通过我们的一个直播，就是给大家就是讲一些不一样的东西，就是日常中怎么去让大家包括调试呀，包括去维修电梯更能快一点。我们能刚才像我们这个资料的话，就是这款资料的话，我们会在邮箱里会给大家，比如说谁有需要的话，我们可以就发送到他们邮箱。
Yeah, we want to share more things about your real work. I mean, it can save your time to like commissioning and repair the elevator more quickly. So if anyone wants to the files, just send us email to us. Send email to us. We will share that to you free.
接下来就是我们就是讲一个就是我们怎么去修电梯，包括我们调电梯，怎么能快速去解决这个问题。首先就是我们用我们的迅达的专用软件 CADI 这款软件怎么去使用。
So then we get into tell you something about many people are always talking about the CADI. According to our experience, many people are very care about this software. So we are going to directly tell you something about this software CADI. CADIGC.
我们 CADI 这款软件就是我们的连接线，一个是我们的232的一个线，这是我们的232头，另外一头就是我们的一个转换线，我们公母头一个转换线。
The first of all, we are going to share the wire of the CADI from the RS232 to USB. As you can see, the wire is from here and then to here. And then from here to the laptop. Okay. 你可以撤。Okay, photographer, bye bye. Sayonara.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, our photographer. Very, very stably. And I think you guys are not, your eyes are okay, right? Okay, let's change our camera to our laptop so you can see the CADI. Okay. 好的，屏幕已经过来了。Yeah, as you can see now, it's a CADI connecting to the elevators, to the elevator.
给我先插进。
这个先思索。Yeah, when you are connecting, to prefer to confirm the wire connecting the wire is stable enough.
这就是我们 CADI 的软件，我们的软件支持很多种语言。
Yeah, first of all, you guys may worry about the language. This software have many different language options, like the Chinese, English, Spanish, and I'm not sure the German and French. Let me see. Yes, you can see there are also Italian, Spanish, French, yeah, France, and Germany and English. Yeah.
然后这款软件，我们这款软件是包括我们的，可以看到我们的全控信息，然后包括我们的电梯控制、我们的驱动、我们的门，还有包括我们的负载，然后包括我们 CADI 的一些 PUT 软件，还有 PUT 参数上传和下载。
Yeah, this software is very convenient, and it has like you are in a God view. It means that you can monitor your elevator all parts like the driver, the main board, the traction machine, and the door, and also it have the leveling and many things about this. Almost everything about this elevator you can read from this software.
包括我们的SM 卡，我们的 SM 卡的一些信息也是在我们的电脑上可以呈现出来。
And also something about the SIM card. The SIM card information also can be showed on the CADI.
然后我们现在看一下我们这个数据，我们在这数据就是我们把它切换成我们的中文，
And now we, in order to easily to show that, so we change that to Chinese firstly.
切换成我们的中文，我们的中文的话，现在就是在我们这款软件上是同样刚才的一个方法，版本号，包括我们 SW 软件版本，就是我们刚看的那个软件。
Yes, you can see you use this software is also like SMLCD. I mean the small screen on the main board. In this software, you can also check the GC. I mean the software version from this software.
就是我首先说一下这个部分，这个部分也是一个很多人以为这个不重要，其实这也是一个重要的一个软件的一个信息组成部分。
And this part is very important, but many people always ignore it. But actually, it's really very important.
然后从这个版本上，从这个软件上，我们首先第一步就是能看到我们的软件，第二步能看到我们的驱动，也就是我们的驱动用的哪种变频器，哪种类型。第三个是我们的页印机型号是哪种的，是第三方页印机还是我们迅达专用页印机。
It can see the drivers, the main board, and also the traction machine.
包括我们的迅达，还有包括我们的制动器信息，包括我们的称重类型。都在上面能呈现出来
including the brake and the wind sensor. I mean the load sensor, the wind sensor. The wind sensor type also can be showed on the software. I mean on the CADI.
包括我们的电梯数量，然后包括我们的层担数，这些都会呈现出来。
Including the elevator quantities and the total floors.
然后我们可以在我们的这些软件里面进行调试，包括我们可以监控我们的群控。比如说，我们有时候要监控我们的设置我们电梯的一个就是上下班高峰期的一个控制，我们也可以在这里设置。
We can use this software to do some commissioning and including some time control.
一会儿我给大家讲一下，就是如果我们的并联或者我们的群控的话，我们的主板连接线是哪一个位置？很多人还不清楚这个连接线，就是我们的群控到底是拿哪个线去连，还是通过通讯去连接
？So later I will share which part to wire connect the parallel and the group control. according to our experiences, many people have no idea how to connect the wire when they are doing group controlling.
然后这是一个部分，另外就是我们的电梯一个控制部分，控制部分包括我们的参数呀，包括里面的读卡器，就是我们的梯控也会在这里面，迅达专用的梯控也会在这里面设置。
And the other part is include like the parameters and even the axis system also can be set in this part.
另外就是我们的电梯的一个停止服务，就是当我们的电梯，比如说我们在规定的时间会让它去停止。
The other one is for the service stop, like you can set at let's say at 12 to 2 o'clock, you can light this elevator to stop service.
你给大家解释一下，就是我们在这个讲的时候，就是我本来是，就是我们可以在这里面语言转换。
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Mr. Henry said sorry because this software actually can show the English. As I just told you, it have the English and Germany and France and Italian and Chinese. Because Henry is not very familiar with English, so in order to show you clearly, we use the Chinese version firstly. But no worry, actually this software can show the English, even the Italian, France, Germany, no problem. So no worry. When you receive this software, you can change that in the options, and there is language settings. You can set it according to yourself.
然后现在就是包括我们这款，就是现在另外我们的驱动部分，我们的驱动部分是很关键的一个参数。我们进去到我们的驱动参数，直到我们的设置，我们打开我们的设置。
Now we are getting to the drive part. The drive part is also very important. So now we get into the drive settings. Now in front of you, I mean your screen is the drive settings. I stress again is drive settings because it's Chinese. Maybe you guys are not familiar, so it's drive settings. Okay.
然后刚好我们在这里面就发现了一个问题，就是我们的这款里面有我们的变频器，包括我们的制动器、我们的电机、包括电机类型。这里面就是平时我们更换完变频器，包括我们的验液机替换以后，我们在里面要进行修改的参数，包括我们的电梯的一个速度，都在这里面进行修改。
Yeah, here is the traction machine type, the driver type, and even the speed of the elevator. For example, if you change a new inverter, let's say you change VF33BR to VAB33. After you change the new inverter, you have to set that in the drive part.
我在这里面可以选择我们就是要更换的一个验液机型号，就在里面。
Yes, you can see there are many different traction machine models.
验液机的型号选择正确以后，包括比如说我们现场用的是22，就是 VEB022的变频器。然后现在我们要替换成更大的功率，我们可以替换成 VEB033的变频器。然后遇到这种情况的话，我们就在里面将我们的 VEB022的参数会修改成 VEB033。
Yeah, for example, before you use the VAB022 inverter, but you change another one, let's say VAB033. So after you change the new inverter, you have to change these parameters in here.
然后接下来这个就是我们的这个地方，就是我们的验液机类型。我们验液机类型的话是根据我们现场目前实际的情况去设置的。我们用迅达专用款，包括我们这款是用我们的采用的是我们第三方验液机。
And here is for the traction machine model. Like let's say Schindler PMS 420. But actually this simulator is not use the Schindler traction machine, so we give the settings like this. But you can do that according to your job site real condition to choose the suitable traction machine type.
包括我们还有一个重点来了，就是我们在替换变频器的时候，包括在我们日常中，就是发现我们现场的有时会报一些类似703、713、714。 类似这样的故障，跟电压相关的故障，有可能是因为现场我们的电压变化。比如说我们实际的变频器是380伏，但我们现场的电压是400伏，但是我们经常会遇到这种情况，电梯就会出现故障，因为电压检测的问题出现故障。
713
713、704
啊。
类似的这个。
Yeah, maybe you have met the error code 713 and 704, such type of the error code. This error is because of the voltage checking. 713 and 704. This may be caused by the voltage checking. Yes, 请继续。
在这个位置，我们比如说遇到这种问题，我们怎么去应对？我们可以在里面，比如说我们我们的电压是380伏的话，我们可以选440。比如说我们的有380伏，我们可以选400伏、380伏。当我们实际的，比如说我们拿到现场以后，我们实际测量我们的电压，发现我们的电压是400伏，我们可以选择415伏的一个检测，这样的话就会有效的会把713和704这种等等这种故障我们就避免了。
So like the error code, the 713 and 704 or others, I mean the error related to the voltage checking, you can change your voltage in this part. So you can solve such kind of problems after you get the job site. You measure the voltage from, let's say, you thought it is 380, but actually after you measure that, it's 400. So such kind of error code will appear. And then you can set the settings here according to your real voltage. So then the error code 713 and 704 will be solved.
另外就是其他的这些参数，就是我们包括我们的焰轮直径呀，这个是我们正常的，比如说我们的焰轮直径是0.45米，我们这个是以米为单位的，说是0.5米，然后根据现场实际进行输入。
Yeah, the other depends on the job site real condition to set. That's the diameter of the sheave.
最后一个这个参数就是我们可以和我们实际电梯的运行方向不一致时，我们可以进行修改这个参数，然后来转换我们的电机方向，使它保持一致。
And this one is the direction, like your traction machine is down, but the elevator is up. So you can change these settings to keep them to keep them safe. I mean, same direction.
然后接下来就是这个，另外就是我们的液引比，液引比就是我们的，一般我们的永磁同步的话，大多数情况下都2:1，咱们有可能会出现负扰，然后我们大多数都是2:1，我们就选择2:1。
And there is the rope rating, and most the condition it should be 2:1. So we choose 2:1 is most condition.
比如说我有负扰的话就会出现4:1，4:1的话会选择我们的4:1这个参数。
Sometimes maybe also you have the 4:1 and others you just choose the parameters according to your real condition. So this part is about the drive part.
这个部分，我们那个另外就是我们的制动器参数。制动器参数的话，一个是我们的制动器类型是可以选择，比如说我们有110伏的制动器，有207的，220伏，就207伏，我们维持为
103.5。
100伏，我们 DC 100伏。可以在我们这里面去选择我们类似的我们的制动器型号。
So here is about the brick, and you can change the brick the voltage of the brick, like the release voltage and hold voltage. But generally, like the Schindler PMS 420, this traction machine generates a brick voltage. I mean, the open voltage is 200.07, and the hold voltage is 103.5. So you can set that to be here.
然后接下来就是这部分这几个参数的话，是我们的一个包杂的一个启动延时和停止一个延时。比如说如果我们要提前开包杂，为什么要提前开包杂的原因是，有时候当我们的页面机都动起来，包杂制动会启动和停止的舒适感不好，我们就会调我们的包杂的启动和延时，包括提前开闸。
So this time and this settings is about the break relay time or the previous open time. Sometimes we use such kind of the parameters to change the comfortable.
然后剩下就是我们另外一部分是我们会再把我们的 CADI 的一些软件的一些应用方式会在下期会继续讲。但是我们有一个重要的出所，就是我们的故障如何用 CADI 去看。
And CADI more functions because of the time we're gonna to tell in next time our Schindler live show. But before that, the other one thing is very important is for to check in the error code log according to the CADI.
我们 CADI 最经典的就是故障是非常清晰的。
The biggest features of the CADI is to check the error logs. The error log show you the errors very, very clearly.
然后我们打开一下我们目前这个电器的一个故障，我们这台电器的。
As you can see, we open the error log, and now in front of you is the error codes of our simulators. I mean the elevators in our room now.
我们这台电器，比如说我们有我们的故障的时间，这上面的这个时间，我们可以在我们的系统设置里面可以进行设置成我们的当前时间，以方便我们看故障更方便。
It shows you the error code and the error appear time. This time you can also set it according to, to keep it the same as the real time.
然后另外的就是这一部分就是我们的一个故障等级，我们的等级然后越高会导致电梯就会停止。
This part is for the error is serious or not. If the serious more, and maybe the elevator will be forced to stop.
我们这个部分是我们的编号，你看编号出现的是701，也就是我们的701故障。
This part is about the error code. As you can see, the 701. It means this elevator have the 701 error.
教我们的故障，比如说我们那个故障描述会调出来。
Yeah, you can also click that to light the CADI to show you more description about this arrow. And then this arrow is English. Yeah, no matter even now we use it is Chinese, but actually the description is also still in English.
它会指引我们就是如何去看，去解决这些问题。就是它会指引我们，就是第一步我们怎么去处理，第二步我们去处理。我们的这些701这个故障 SW 这个故障，我们是在哪些位置去处理？去指引。
So it will guide you how to solve the error, like the error 701. It will like guidance to teach you how to solve this error.
还有一个就是我们可以将我们的故障进行保存，我们现在保存下来。
And another thing is that we can save our errors, like what I'm doing now.
我们打开后，我们可以将我们的故障进行打印出来。打印出来后，我们会进行对比，然后对我们的故障等级啊，包括我们的故障次数呀，包括我们的故障位置呀、故障状态，我们在我们的打印出来，可以自己更详细的去了解。
Yeah, why we save that? Because after save you can print that about this arrow, so you can learn more things about this arrow. You can learn it more clearly.
后是这样的，杰克，你大家说一下，就是提问的，关于迅达提问的，包括我们下期的会 继续讲解 CADI。
Okay.
下期我们会讲解变频器更换。
Okay, now because of the time, so next time we are still gonna to share something about the CADI and and also for the Schindler mainboard changing. For now, if you guys have any problem about the elevators, please let me show on the comment sections. Let's see. How to 什么的？哪个是我们的？ If you any constraint our type of access, how to bypass access the landing door, car door? What is bypass? 他说是什么？这什么去 bypass 我不知道啊，你帮我查 bypass 什么 ？by 旁路，那就是短接什么这个叫门停门。How to bypass access to the landing door and car door? Okay. Please actively ask questions during the interactive session. We will. 这不是的。I have Schindler elevator at my new site. I hope this is helpful. You can just use screen solution to fix the problem. Okay. 这个不对。
他说他要帮助来寻求电梯。
对，他刚好有一个迅达的问题，他希望这个有帮助。他说。
箱留在上面，他可以。 找到我们的 WhatsApp
他说旁路这个叫门停门是不是短接叫门停门是不是这意思 ？OK, now we are
更多的咨询 WhatsApp
OK, now we are talking about the bypass OK. Bypass 啊，先写问题啊。bypass car door or landing 啥东西掉了 Okay, now we are talking about this question. 整带 IV cam 连接掉线了回来了有点延迟
他这个问题就太笼统了具体的型号，然后咱把它邮箱，比如说我们的邮箱，可以让他添加我们的邮箱，我们详细去1对1
1v1 talking。我们邮箱是多少？
邮箱
那个玲玲，把我们邮箱说一下是多少？
玲玲，
把我们邮箱打过来。
等一下，我把屏幕放掉。
Yeah, because we have no idea what is your Schindler elevator is 300 or 7000 or 5500 or which type. We are not very sure about your Schindler elevator. So you can send email. Let us know your email, okay? Send email. Send email, okay. So send email to us because we have no idea what is your Schindler elevator. Is 3300 or 5500 or 7000 or what? 刚好到时间了。OK。
多少人？
等一下，让我把这个先切
现在多少人？
现在10几个。等一下，我先把这个。
最多的时候呢？
我先把这个切过来，用这个。
讲的新鲜。没讲完。你讲不完，
不用扯，你就放那吧，不耽误。你就放那吧。Door and landing door, because I have no idea what is your elevator. Your 5500 or 7 or 5400. So I don't know how to answer this question. But you can send email to us. Yeah, as in front of the screen, you can see the email. Send email to us. We will give you 1v1 talking to answer you how to bypass car door and landing door. Okay. Anyone else have the question about the elevators? Okay. Anybody else have questions? Left talking, take a screenshot to save. Yes, OK， 这是我们的人。
讲一下我们下期我们讲的CADI 的一些使用和调试。
好。
然后接下来就是我们的主板替换、变频器替换，就这些。
Okay, so forecast about next time our live show. Next time we are talking about more about the CADI and also the process to change the main board and the process to change the inverter, the driver. Next time we will share you something like this, okay? Also at the meantime, I stress again, if you have any problem, questions about elevators and escalators, just send your questions to our email. Yeah, in comment section, I believe our colleague also gave the email to you. So any questions, send email to us. So time flies so quickly. It's time to say goodbye. If you guys have no questions, see you next time, okay?
还有比如说加咱们邮箱，比如说有更好的宝贵的意见，也可以
Yeah.
去提啊。
Yeah, of course.
还有新的，比如说有更多的，比如说冬至的需求呀，我们和我们公司比如商量完以后，给大家就是比如说定时去
Yeah.
冬至的富士达呀，包括
Yeah.
有更好的一些想法，可以和我们去联系。
Okay. If you guys also have many other suggestions or advice want to give us, also can send email. Like that friend said he want to see some Hitachi or Toshiba. Of course, no problem. More and more people give us email, and when my boss saw that, of course we will build Hitachi and Toshiba. Even the Fujitech, no problem. Okay, just give us your advices.
然后我们祝福那个圣诞节快乐。
Yeah, Henry said, Happy New Year to you guys again. And for some the Christians, hope you are Merry Christmas. Hello, Happy New Year. Okay.
New Year.
See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. 结束了啊。滚！上来。